Hi, this is Matt Hunzeker, the Managing Partner of the National Real Estate Law Group. Today's topic in our continuing web series is 5 reasons why the recent housing recovery may stall. As it's been well publicized, we're seeing tremendous increases in home prices in the last 12 months or so, particularly in areas such as Nevada and Arizona, parts of California and Florida that were really hard hit when the music stopped in around 2007 or 8. The 5 reasons that we could be looking at a shorter term rise in house prices go directly to the basics. The first one is rising interest rates. Just today, the rates went up 0.5 point to 4.5%. That is the biggest one-day leap in over 30 years. It signals that there's issues with the bond market that are too complicated for me to understand, but in essence, we're seeing rising interest rates. The second one is that employment is not growing fast enough to sustain this recovery. We're still hovering around 7.5% nationally. Those numbers are frequently described as soft, though, because a lot of people have quit looking for work. The third reason is that the government's role in terms of the mortgage industry is looking to change dramatically. The news today is that within the next 3 years or so, Fannie and Freddie will cease to exist and they will be taken over by a private institution. And that's been long been the goal of the government. So we'll see credit standards tightened quite a bit, and there's already new regulations making it far more difficult to get a loan today than it was in 2006 or 7. Another problem, the fourth one, is the bubble could burst. We're seeing such incredible rates, 20 to 30% annual increases in certain areas of the country, that's just not sustainable nor healthy in terms of being to be able to sustain those rates like we saw in 05, 06, 07. So there could yet be another bubble. And the last but little known aspect is the demographics of our country are such that most of the students today, when they get out of college or grad school or law school, have humongous student debt. The interest rate that is due on those student debts is recently going to double. We're going to go up to 30% on a lot of these loans. That's going to cripple an entire generation's ability to get a loan to buy a house. So I'm not trying to be a downer with today's news flash, but I'm just trying to explain in as simple terms as I can why I think if the market does start to slow down precipitously to a healthier 5, 6, 7% a year increase, these 5 reasons will be the reason for that. Thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you next time.